This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. 82863. Okay. Done. Five 29 multiply with 99. Just take the left hand side number 5. Just add 1. So it will become 6. Subtract 6 from the given number. 529 minus 6, which is equal to 523. Then take the remaining number 29. Subtract it from 100. So it will become 71. So answer is 52371. So instead of going with 100 minus 1, you can directly simplify this using this method. Next one. Left hand side number 8. 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9. 837 minus 9, which is equal to 828. Then 100 minus 37, which is equal to 63. So answer is 82863. 82863. Yes, first one 52,371, second one 82,863. Okay, shall we move to next concept? Okay. Which is multiplication of any number with 5, 15, 25, 125, 625, like that. For example, if you have a number like 88 multiply with 5. So instead of multiplying this number with 5, just take 88 multiply with 10 by 2, so that the simplification will be easier. So 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. So 2 ones are 244 times. So 44 into 10, which is nothing but 440, like that. Like that you have to solve. 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. 25 is nothing but 100 by 4. 125 is nothing but 1000 by 8. 625 is nothing but 10,000 by 16, like that. Five is nothing but 10 by 2. 25 is nothing but 100 by 4. 125 is nothing but 1000 divided by 8. So 625 is nothing but 10,000 divided throughout by 16. In exam, if they give the number multiply with 625, definitely that number should divided by 16. That number should be a multiple of 16. ಅದೇ ತರ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. So 625 ಪಕ್ಕ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಅದು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 16 ಆಗೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 628 into 5. So 625 into 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. So 2 ones are 234 times. 34 into 10 is nothing but 3/4. Like that we have to approach the question. Okay, next one. Just try to solve it without pen and paper. 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. 2 3s are 1, 2, 2, like that. Yes, good. Yes. Yes, good, good. Oh, next one. Yes. Here we have a number multiply with 5. So 6244 multiply with 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. Just take it as 10 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 times 2 times. So answer is 3122 multiply with 10 is nothing but 31,220. So answer for second one. Then third one, 6340 multiply with 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 1 will be the carry, it means 14, 2 sevens are 0. So answer is 31,700. Is good. Good. Okay, you have a number multiplied by 25. Number multiplied by 25 and 125. Just try to make it fast. Yes. Once you get the concept, don't waste too much of time in simple calculation. Yes. 1,12,000. $5,60,000. In case fast ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, just let me know. Here we have a number 4480. Multiply with 25. 25 it can be taken as 20 plus 5. Or else 25 it can be taken as 100 by 100 by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4 1 1 2 0. Then answer is 1 1 2 000. 25 is nothing but 100 by 4. 125 is nothing but 1000 by 8. So 4480 multiply with 1000 divided throughout by 8. 8 ones are 8 fives are 40, remaining is 4, it will become 48. 8 6 are 48, then 0. So answer is 560000. It means 5,60,000. Yes. Okay, next one. We have a number that is 1104 multiply with 625. 625 is good. Yes. Multiply with 625 is nothing but 10,000 divided throughout by 16. So 16 one time. 16 6 are 96. Remaining is 14. So 144. 16 9s are 144. So answer is 69,000. Then we have a number 608 multiply with 625 is nothing but 10,000 divided by 16. 10,000 divided by 16. Yes. 16 one time. 16 threes are 48. Remaining is 12. It will become 128. So 16 eights are 128. So answer is 3,80,000. 3,80,000. Okay, last one. Number multiply with 15. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ 3-4 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. 8 10 ಗುಡ್. ಎಸ್. Next one. If you have a number multiply with 15, just take it as 10 plus 5 or 10 plus 10 by 2. So first we have to multiply a number with 10 plus 54 into 10 by 2 or 15 is nothing but just take it as 10 into 10 plus 5. So 54 into 10 is nothing but 540 plus 2 ones are 227 times. It's nothing but 270. If you add these numbers, resultant is 810. So answer is 810. Next we have a number multiply with 15, that is 254 multiply with 10 plus 254 multiply with 10 by 2. So 2540 plus 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 sevens are. So addition of 1 to 7. So 0 1 8 3. So answer is 3810. 3810. Okay. Next concept. Eleven into 11 is how much? 11 into 11 is how much?
121.
Yes. Then 111 into 111 is how much?
One. 12,321.
Yes. Next one. 1111 into 1111. So in ek barutte andre, if you have a number same digit, it means 11 into 11, 111 into 111, 1111 into 1111. So ee tara ittu andre ee 121 ek bandide anta helidre, just you have to start with number 1, first number 1. Then you have to write it in the increasing order. So increasing order baritu anta helidre, we have 2 digits. Up to 2 number you have to write. So 1 2. After 2 you have to write it in the decreasing order. So 1 2 1. If you have a 3 digit number, just start from 1. We have 3 digit. So 1 2 3. After that in the decreasing order. So 3 2 1. Then 1111 into 1111. We have 4 digits. So 1 2 3 4. Then in the decreasing order 3 2 1. Then what is the square root of What is the square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1? What is the square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1? Once they have asked in SSC examination, CHSL, 111. Okay. Just observe the number. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 6 digit we have. It means what? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply with 1 2 3 4 5 6 is nothing but 111 square. So 1,11,111 square is nothing but square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1.
Can you come again? How is that related, like with respect to ones and the number of digits that you consider?
No. I'll let you know. Just give me a minute. For example, if you have 11 multiply with 111, just let me know your answer. 11 into 111. Here we have, in the left hand side we have 2 digits, in the right hand side we have 3 digits, that is number of 1. 1 double 2 1. Yes, good. Then in this case you have to go with the lesser number digit. So ಯಾವುದು less number ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ first preference ಕೊಡಿ. So we have 2 digits. Just write 1 2. How many numbers more? We have one number more. Just write this digit one more time. So 2, you have to write 2 one more time. Just then in the decreasing order. So 1. So if you have triple one multiplied by 1111, then you have to take the lesser value, that is triple one. Just write it in the increasing order. 1 2 3. We have one more. When compared to this one, we have one more. Just write 3 one more time. Then in the decreasing order, 2 1. If you have 11 multiply with 1111, then just take the lesser value, that is two digits. So 1 2. We have 2 digits more. So just write 2 more time. So 2 2. Then in the decreasing order. So answer is 12,221. You have to take the lesser value. For example, if you have a number multiplied with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, just let me know your answer in the comment box. We have triple one multiplied by triple one and 1. Just go with a lesser digit. 1 2 3, and when compared to this we have 4 more digits. Just write this number 4 more times. So 1 2 3 4. Then in the decreasing order. You can check with your calci. The answer should be same. It will same. Yes. Okay, last one. Is how much? This type of question will ask in SSC. That too on CHSL. We have 5 number of digits. So 1 2 3 4 5. When compared to this, we have 3 digits more. So just write 5 3 more times. 1 2 3 times. Then in the decreasing order, 4 3 2 1. Okay. Let's move to next concept. That is multiplication by taking base as 200 or 150, 100, 300, like that. For example, if you have a number, multiply 92 multiplication with 98. 92 into 98. Just let me know your answer in the comment box. 92 multiply with.
Sorry to interrupt, but the square root one, maybe I have missed it. Did you say that?
Hello, Akshata?
Yeah, so you were saying on that square root, did you, I mean, did I miss that? You were trying to say me on this 11 multiples, but the square root of, how did you get over it? Maybe I missed it somewhere.
Huh? I can't
Explain
hear
that.
you.
Yeah, can you explain us the square root of 2 of 1, 2, 3, 4 and more?
Yeah.
Why are you trying to relate this with the ones?
Square root of.
Am I audible?
Square root of how much?
The number which you showed us before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the decreasing of it, and the value was something 1, 1, 1, 1. Right?
This one.
We're trying to. No, the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 was equivalent to some value, right? So you were trying to explain me that. So were you trying to relate me with these ones with the square root? Maybe I missed it.
No, you can't put here. If you want to take the square root, number of digits must be same, right? So, for example, if you want to tell the square root of 441, which is equal to 21, it means what? 21 into 21. Here, number of digits must be same. Here, number of digits are different. You can't take the square root. Just if you have doubt, let me know personally. Okay. Number of digits must be same. If you want to take the square root, number of digits must be same. Okay. Then 92 into 98 is how much? Yes, 9016. So instead of going with basic calculation, just try to observe the number. So the given number is nearer to 100. So given numbers 92 and 98, which is nearer to 100, just take the base as 100. From 100, 92 is 8 less, and from 100, 98 is 2 less. Just multiply these two numbers. 8 2s are 16. That is right part of your answer. That is your right part of your answer. Then just take any one number, subtract 92 from -2 or subtract 8 from 98. You will get the same answer. If we subtract 2 from 92, we'll get 90. If we subtract 8 from 98, we'll get 90. Answer should be same. Just take any one number. Subtract 2 from 92 or subtract 8 from 98. So this is your left part of your answer. So answer is 9016. So 9016. Just observe the number. The given numbers are nearer to which base? Either it is 100, 150, 200, 250, 350, like that. Observation is very important. Okay, I'll explain one more question. 93 and 94. Still, the given numbers are nearer to 100. From 100, we have 93, 94. From 100, it is 7 less. From 100, it is 6 less. Just multiply this difference. 7 6 are 42. Just subtract 6 from 93 or subtract 7 from 94. If we subtract 6 from 93, we'll get 87. So the multiplication of 93 with 94 will give you 8742. 8742, not 36. Supriya, for the next one. Okay. Yes. Here we have a number nearer to 100. Just take base as 100. From 100, it is 9 less. From 100, it is 4 less. Okay. 9 4s are 36. Just subtract 4 from 91 or subtract 9 from 96. So answer will be 8736. 8736. You can multiply any number by using this method. First, try to learn this concept. First, try to be strong in basics. 7830. Just observe the number. The given numbers are nearer to which base? Either it is 100, 200, 300, 400, like that. Later, I'll explain how to multiply any number at the last. Okay, 87 multiply with 90 we have. So from 100 it is 13 less and it is 10 less. So both are less. So 13 into 10, which is 130. But we are supposed to write only 2 digits. Don't write 3 digits. You are supposed to write only 2 digits in one place. So 1 will be the carry. Just subtract 10 from 87 or 13 from 90. both will be same answer. So if you subtract 10 from 87, we'll get 77. 77 plus 1 carry. It will become 78. So answer is 7830. I hope this will be easy. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment box. So here we have 7982. From 100 it is 18 less. From 100 it is 21 less. Okay. Then 21 multiply with 18, which is equal to 18 into 2, 360, 378. We are supposed to write only 2 digits, 78 and 3 will be the carry. Just subtract 18 from 79. You will get 61. 61 plus 3. 61 plus this 3. It will become 64. So answer is 6478. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment box. The numbers nearer to 100. Okay, next one. Here the given numbers are greater than 100. Both numbers are greater than 100. 112 into 105. 112 into 105. Okay. $11,760. Okay. Okay, here we have 112 multiply with 105. Just take base as 100. From 100 it is 12 more. From 100 it is 5 more. So 12 5s are 60. We have 2-digit number. Don't take carry forward any number. So 60. Then just here numbers are greater than 100. It is plus 5. Just add 5 to 112 or just add 12 to 105. Both are same. Okay, let me check. So 112 plus 5, it will become 117 60. So answer is 11,760. The next one we have 113 multiply with 110. So from 100 it is 13 more, and from 100 it is 10 more. 13 into 10, which is 130, but we are supposed to write only 2 digits and 1 will be the carry. Numbers are greater than 100. It is plus 10. Just add 10 to 113. You will find 123. So 123 plus 1, carry forward 1. So it will become 124. So answer is 12,430. Yes, correct. 12,430. If you practice more number of example, you will be perfect in this concept. So it will help you a lot in the simplification. You have 5 marks in simplification in your banking examination. Within 2-3 minutes you can solve if you are strong in basics. First try to strong in basics. Later you can do any type of questions in simplification. Yes. 12,768. Okay. Good. Try to solve it in your mind. Don't use pen and paper for simple calculation. Just observe the number. From 100 it is 14 more, it is 12 more. So 14 into 12, which is equal to 168, but we are supposed to get only 2 digits, which is 68, and 1 will be the carry. You have to add 12 to 114, which is 126 plus 1. Sorry, 161, 126 plus 1, 127. So 12768 is the answer. So it is 14 more and it is 12 more. 14 into 12, which is equal to 168, but we are supposed to write only 2 digits, which is equal to 68, and 1 will be the carry. Just add 12 to 144, you will get 126, then plus 1. Why? Because we have a carry forward number, that is 1. It will equal to 127. So answer is 12768. Next, 193 multiply with 196. Here you have to take base as 200, not as 100. So here you have to take base as 200. Number nearer to 200. From 200 it is 7 less. From 200 it is 4 less. 7 fours are 28. It is right part of your answer. Then subtract 4 from 193 or subtract 7 from 196. Both are same. It will gives 189. But 18928 will not be the answer. Why? Because we have taken 200 as base. For that, you have to multiply left hand side number with 2. Why? Because we have taken 200 as base. Just multiply left hand side number with 2. If you take base as 300, you have to multiply left hand side number with 3. If you took 400 as base, you have to multiply with 4, like that. So 9 2s are 18. 1 will be the carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. So 3. So answer will be 37,828. You have taken 200 as base. For that, you have to multiply 2 with left hand side number. 189 into 2. 189 multiply with 2. Just observe the number. 180 into 192. Numbers are near to 200. Yes. $34,560. Okay, let me check. Just try to solve both the question. 180 into 192 and 203 into 207. Yes. 60,021, 42,021, 34,560 are getting different answer. You have taken the base as 200. For that, left hand side number multiply with 2. Remember that. $42,021. Yes. Yes. you have a number multiply which is nearer to 200. From 200 it is 20 less. From 200 it is 8 less. You have to multiply these numbers. So 20 into 8 is how much? 160. But we are supposed to write only 2 digits. So 60 and 1 will be the carry. Remember that 1 will be the carry. Just subtract 8 from 180 or 20 from 192. Both are same. If we subtract 8 from 180, we will get 172. 172 plus 1. 173. Sorry. We have to multiply this number. If we subtract, we have 172. Just multiply this 172 with 2. Why? Because we have taken base as 200. So 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 344 plus 1. 344 plus 1. It will become 345. So answer is 34,560. Then next one. 203 multiply with 207. From 200 it is 3 more, it is 7 more. So 7 3s are 21. Just add 7 for 203, you will get 210. Multiply this 210 with 2, it will become 420. So answer is 42,021. Understood? If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment box. 212 multiply with 217. 212 multiply with 217. Just observe the number. How much we have to take basis for that number so that the simplification will be easier. From 200 it is 12 more. It is 17 more. 17 into 12, which is equal to 204. But you are supposed to write only 2 digits. Remaining number will be carry forward. Just take your time and try to solve it. Yes, good. Just let me know your answer in the comment box. Yes, what about others? There are 20 members, but I'm getting only 4 or 5 comments. Just try to practice. Without practice, it is very difficult to crack the exam. So just try to practice more number of questions. Okay. Here we have 212 multiply with 217 from 200. Just take base as 200. Remember that we have to multiply left hand side number with 2. So from 200 it is 12 more, and from 200 it is 17 more. You have to multiply 17 with 12. Resultant will be 204. 204. But we are supposed to write only 2 digits, and 2 will be the carry forward. Just add 17 with 212. You will get 229. Then you have to multiply this with 2. So 229 multiply with 2. It will give 458. Then 458 plus 2, carry forward number. So 458 plus 2, which is equal to 460. The answer is 46,004. Then for 13th one, we have 305 multiply with 309. Here you have to take base as 300. For that you have to multiply left hand side number with 3. From 300 it is 5 more. From 300 it is 9 more. 9 5 is 45. And just add 5 with 309 or just add 9 with 305. You'll get the same answer. 305 plus 9, which is equal to 314. With 3 we have to multiply. Why? Because we have taken the base as 300. So 314 into 3, which is equal to 942. Sorry, 942. So answer will be 94245. 94,245. Next one. 297 into 288. Here you have a number less than 300. Both the numbers are less than 300. I'll let you know how to multiply a number. If one number is less than 100 and other number greater than 100, I'll let you know later. Good. Okay. So answer 94,245, 85,536, 1,55,618. I'm not getting different answers. Okay, it's okay. Observe carefully. The given numbers are near to 300. For that, we have to take base of 300. It means what? We have to multiply 3 with left part of left hand side number. So from 300 it is 3 less. From 300 it is 12 less. 12 3s are 36. This is right part of your answer, 36. Then you have to subtract 12 from 297. Why? Because it is lesser than 300. So you have to subtract 297 minus 12. It gives 285. Then you have to multiply this 285 with 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25, 2 carry, then 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. So answer is 85,536. 85,536. Yes. Next one, 398 multiply with 931. We have a number near to 400. Here numbers are near to 400. For that we have to take base of 400. It is 2 less. It is 9 less. 9 2s are 18. Just subtract 2 from 391. You'll get 389. Just multiply 389 with 4. So if you multiply this with 4, we'll get 9 4s are 36. 3 will be the carry. 4s are 32 plus 3. 35. 3 will be the carry. 4 3s are 12 plus 3. 1,55,618. 1,55,618. Okay. You can multiply any number by taking base. whether it is 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 900, 800, like that. Okay, here we have a number. Here we have a number. One number is less than 100 and other number is greater than 100. In this situation, I'll let you know how to multiply these numbers. So just take a base as 100. Here also you have to take base as 100. From 100 it is 2 less, and from 100 it is 2 more. It is plus 2. In the last questions, we are solving a number either less, either or more. So numbers are, for example, 98 into 96 or 104 into 180, like that. Whether it is more or less. In this question, we have a number. One number is more than 100, one number is less than 100. In this situation, just take base as 100. One number is less than 200, from it is 2 less, it is 2 more. 2 2s are, it is 4, but it is minus 4. One number is minus, one number it's in positive number. Okay, just add 2 with 98 or just subtract 2 from 102. You'll find the same answer, that is 100. Don't tell answer is 10,004. It is wrong. Why? Because we have a number, one number is less than 100 and one number is greater than 100. In this situation, first you have to find the left part of answer, and after that you have to add 2 zeros here. After that you have to add 2 zeros. From that you have to subtract 4. Just subtract 10,000 from 4. Sorry, just subtract 4 from 10,000. Then
Why was
you'll
that
get
00 after 100? Okay,
why?
but
Because one number is more than 100, one number is less than 100.
yeah.
So in this situation, we have to write 2 zeros. First, we have to find the left part of answer. First part of numbers.
Okay,
That is
number
100.
of twos is what is the number of 0? Because the decimal is 2 there, so we are adding the 2 here.
What?
Is that? We have here minus 2, so we are just adding the number of whatever is the digit, the number of zeros we are adding accordingly. Is that?
No, not like that. Just assume. Left part of answer is 100, right? So left part
Yeah.
number is 100. So in right hand side we have minus 4. We can't subtract 4 from any number. Here we don't have any number. So for that you have to take carry forward one number. If we take carry forward one number, 100 become 99. If we take one number, it denotes 100 number. So it means we have to subtract 4 from 100, not from 10. In basic calculation, if you take one number carry means it denotes 10th place. But in this situation, if you take one number, it denotes 100 number. We have to subtract 4 from 100. So instead of going with that method, just write 2 zeros in front of 100. I'll explain. Here we have a number, one number is greater than 100, one number is less than 100. It is 2 less, that is minus 2. It is 2 more. So 2 2s are, it is minus 4. It means we have to subtract. If you have a different sign, just go with this method. Okay, just add 2 with 98 or subtract 2 from 102. You'll get the same answer, that is 100. We have to subtract 4 from this number. Here we don't have any number. For that you have to take carry forward. So instead of that, just put 2 zeros in front of this number. So from 10,000 we have to subtract 4. If we subtract 4 from 10,000, answer is 9996. Okay, here we have a number, one number is less than 100, one number is more than 100. From 100 it is 7 less, from 100 it is 7 more. Okay, 7 sevens are 49. It is 49 minus 49. Okay, just add 7 to 93 or just subtract 7 from 107. You will get 100. Just put 2 zeros in front of 100 and then you have to subtract 49. So answer will be 9951 like that. I'll explain one more question. Don't worry. So here we have a number nearer to 200, but one number is less than 200, one number is more than 200. In this situation, it is 4 less, it is 2 more. We have a different number. So minus 4 plus 2, it will be minus 8. It means we have to subtract. So just add 2 with 196. We'll get 198 and then we have to multiply this number with 2. Why? Because we have taken base as 200. So 198 into 2, which is equal to 396, which is equal to 396. So 396 in front of that number, just put 2 zeros. Then you have to subtract 8. Then you have to subtract 8. This is the concept. So 39592. Hope you get my point. So just tell me the answer for 19th one. That is 92 into 104. So 9568. Okay. Just observe the base number. That is very important. If you are not multiplying, then the answer will go wrong. Just observe the base. Here base is 100. From 100 it is 8 less. From 100 it is 4 more. Here we have one positive sign, one negative sign. In this situation, just apply this method. 8 4s are 32. It is minus 32. Okay. Just add 4 with 92. You'll get 96. Just put 2 zeros and then you have to subtract 32. So answer will be 9568 for 19th. Yes, good. 88,750. 291 multiply with 305. From 300 it is 9 less and it is 5 more. 9 5s are 45. That is minus 45. Just write it one side. So just add 5 with 291. You will get 296. Then you have to multiply it with by 2. Why? 3. Why? Because we have taken base as 300. 296 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 1 will be the carry. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 28. So 2 will be the carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. So just put 2 zeros in front of this. Then you have to subtract 40. So answer will be 88755. 88755. 88755. You can multiply any number based on this concept. But the numbers are nearer to base, like 200, 300, 400, like that. Okay, then multiplication of consecutive numbers. Multiplication of consecutive numbers. We can go with base method also. Instead of going with by taking base as 100, then it is 6 less and it is 4 less. We have a same sign, that is negative. 6 4s are 24 and just subtract 4 from 94. You'll get 9024 as answer. So instead of going with this method, you can have another method like okay, 6 into 8 is how much? 6 8s are 48, right? So if 48 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ just take the middle value. What is the mean value for 8 and 6? It is 7, right? Mean value means middle number. Just take the square of it and minus 1. If I go with the basic concept, so 6 and 8, it can be taken as 7 minus 1 and into 7 plus 1. 7 minus 1, 7 plus 1. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? Is nothing but a square minus b square. Here a value is 7, b value is 1. Is nothing but 7 square minus 1 square. 7 square is 49 minus 1 square is 1. It will become 48. So 6 into 8 is nothing but 7 square minus 1. You have to take the mean value. You have to take the mean value. Okay. In the same way, you can. So here we have a number 94 and 96. So 94 and 96, it can be written as 95 minus 1 and 95 plus 1 is nothing but 95 square minus 1. Why? Because it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. It's nothing but a square minus b square. 95 square minus 1 square. 95 square. So 25 90. I'll let you know how to square a number in the tomorrow's class. So 9025 minus 1. So 9025 minus 1 is nothing but 9024. Okay, 96 into 98. It can be taken as 97 square minus 1 square. It is in the form of 97 minus 1 into 97 plus 1. 97 square minus 1 square. So 97 square, it is 9409 minus 1. So answer is 9408. I'll let you know how to square a number later. So answer is 9408. You can go with by base method like 100. From 100 it is 4 less, from it is 2 less. So 4 2s are 08. Just subtract 2 from 96, you will find 94. So 9408 is the answer. Then 45 multiplied with 47. So it can be written as 46 minus 1 into 46 plus 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So 46 square minus 1 square. So 46 square, it is nothing but 2116 minus 1 is nothing but 2115. I'll let you know how to square a number. So answer is 2115. Here we have a number 89 multiplied with 19. It can be taken as 90 square minus 1. 90 square minus 1. 90 square is nothing but 8100 minus 1. It's nothing but 8099. 8099. Okay, here we have a number for practice. Let's try to practice these numbers. So for example, I'll give you one example. If you have a number that is 92 multiply with 98, just let me know the answer for this one. 92 into 98. It is also consecutive number, but it is consecutive even number. Consecutive even number. For that, you have to observe the mean value. So here mean value is 95. Mean value means sum of number divided by total numbers. Sum of observation divided by total number. Sum means 92 plus 98 divided by total numbers. Here we have two numbers, that is 2. So 390 divided by 2, which is 95. So 92, it can be written as 95 minus 3 into 98. It can be taken as 95 plus 3 and it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So 95 square minus 3 square, which is equal to 9. 95 square, it is 9025 minus 9. So answer is 9016. I'll let you know how to square a number, don't worry. Okay, next one. How to multiply a number. Here observation is very important. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. For example, if you have a number multiplied, if you have a multiplication of number 86 into 84, just observe the number. Here sum of unit digit. Unit digit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ right hand side in the first number. From right hand side first number, it is called unit digit. So here we have 6 and 4. Sum of 6 and 4, which is equal to 10, and remaining digit is same, and the remaining digit we have same number. Remaining digit we have same number. So in this situation, how to multiply a number? Just take the unit digit. 6 4s are 24. It is right part of your answer. Just take any one number, remaining number, that is 8. Multiply 8 with next consecutive number. Consecutive number means next number. So 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72. So answer will be 7224. Yes. First you have to take the unit digits, multiply this, then you will find right part of your answer. Then take 10th place number, any one number, because both the numbers are same. Then you have to multiply that number with next consecutive number. Okay, here we have 92 into 98. First observe the unit digit. Sum of unit digit is 10. 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10. Multiply that number. 8 2s are 16. Then go with 10th place number, that is 9. Just take any one number. We have 9 in 10th place. Just multiply this 9 with next consecutive number. Next number is 10. 9 into 10, which is equal to 90. So answer is 9016. Here observation is very important. How they are framing the question. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. Observation, common sense will play a major role. Here we have a number 46 multiplied with 44. Here also sum of unit digit is 10. 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. We have to multiply that number. 6 4s are 24. Good. Then take any one number in the 10th place. 4 multiply with next number, that is 5. 4 5s are 20. So answer is 202. Got my point? Okay. Just let me know your answer for 4th one and 5th one. Just try to make it fast. 118 into 112, 203 into 207. Observe the number. Here sum of unit digit. Unit digit means this 8. First number from right hand side, 8 and 12. Yes. 42021. Good. 13216. Good. Good. Don't mind whether the answer is correct or wrong. Just participate. Participation is very important. Don't mind about answer. Answer right or wrong. Just participate ಮಾಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 8 2s are 16. Then the remaining number we have 11. Multiply 11 with next number, 11 into 2, which is equal to 132. Just right here. So 13216. Then 203 multiply with 207. Observe the number. Here the sum of unit digit is 10 and the remaining digits are same, that is 20 20. 7 3s are 21. We have to take the next number, that is remaining number, multiply with next consecutive number, 21 into 2, which is equal to 420. So 42,021. Okay. 124 into 126 is how much? 124 into 126 is how much? Good. Is good. You can't have 11 in unit place. Unit place means single digit. You can't take 2 digits. Unit place means single number. If you have a number 11, unit digit is 1, not 11. Unit means 1 number. Don't go with 2 digits. Unit means 1. Unit digit, single digit. One 24 into 126. Here sum of unit digit is 10. 6 fours are 24. Then the remaining number 12. 12 multiplied with 13. 12 into 13 makes equal to 156. So 15,624. Understood? Okay. Next. Next concept. Unit digit is same and sum of remaining digit is 10. Just let me know the answer for first one. 83 into 23. Here unit digits are same and the remaining numbers, sum of remaining number is 10. In this case, you have to multiply this number. So 3 threes are, just multiply unit place number. 3 threes are 9. Then multiply remaining number. 8 twos are, that is 16. Then you have to add 16 with 3. Why? Because in unit place we have 3. Just add unit place number for this number 16. 16 plus 3, which is equal to 19. I take one more example. So 97 into 17. Here we have unit digits are same and the sum of the remaining numbers are 10. So 7 sevens are 49. Then 9 ones are 9 plus unit place number, that is 7. 9 plus 7, which is equal to 16. So 1649. Yes. For third one, fourth and fifth one, just let me know your answer. 3, 4 and 5. For third one, fourth one and fifth one. Observation is very important. So try to observe the numbers. Take time, 1 second, 2 seconds. First you must observe the number. 67 into 47. Here unit place number are same and the remaining numbers, sum of remaining numbers are 10. Okay. Yes, good. 39 multiply with 79. So 9 nines are 81. Next 3 sevens are 21 plus 1, which is equal to 30. So answer will be 3081 for third one. Yes, good. Next, for fourth one, 7 sevens are 49, 6 fours are 24 plus 7, which is equal to 31. 3149. Okay, 28, 88. 8 eights are 64. Then the remaining numbers, sum of remaining numbers are 10. 2 eights are 16 plus 8, which is equal to 24. So 24. 2464. Yes. Yes, good. Okay. Here you have some question for practice. Just try to solve it here. What is the multiplication of 72 into 32? 89 into 29, 53 into 57, 138 into 132, 36 into 34. Just let me know in the comment box. Just first solve 5 questions. Later you can comment. 72 into 35, 89 into 29, 53 into 57, 138 into 132, 36 into 34. Yes. Don't get confused. Yes. Try to solve all the questions up to 5. Just take your time and try to solve it. But try to solve it without using pen and paper. Then you can write it one side. One side ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ but mind ಅಲ್ಲಿ calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. Yes. Sure. Definitely.
Hello, sir. This is Karthik.
Yes.
Can you explain one more, sir? I'm new here. I joined today, so I'm not able to make fast. So can you explain me one question 72 into 32? First one.
What?
Can you
First
explain third one?
Sure. Definitely I'll explain. Okay. So first one, here we have a number 72 multiply with 38. Just 32. Just observe the number. Unit digit numbers are same and some of the remaining numbers are 10. In this situation, first you have to multiply unit digit. 2 2s are 4, but we are supposed to write 2 digits. So 0 4. Then multiply this number. 3 7s are 21, 10
20.
plus this number.
Okay, sir.
2. So plus 2, which is equal to 23. That is your left part of your answer. That is 2304.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, next one. Here you have different types. Just observe the number. Okay, next one. Same thing. Unit place number is same and the sum of remaining numbers are 10. So 9 9s are 81. Then 8 2s are 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. So then it is equal to 2581. For second one. Then third one. Just observe the number. Here, unit sum of place number is 10. Sum of unit is 10. Karthik,
Yes, sir.
just mute your.
Okay.
Here the sum of unit place number is 10 and the remaining numbers are same. In this situation, first you have to multiply the unit place number like 3 7s are 21. Then take any one number in the 10th place 5. Just multiply 5 with next consecutive number 5 into 6, which is equal to 30. So 3021. Next, then come to fourth one. Here we have a number the 138 into 132. Just observe the number. Here the sum of unit place number is 10 and the remaining number is same. So just take multiplication of unit place number. 8 2s are 16. Then take the next number, remaining number 13, multiply with next consecutive number. So 13 into 14, that is 169 plus 14, which is equal to 183. So answer is 18316. 18316. Next one, 36 multiply with 34. Here sum of unit place number is 10 and the remaining numbers are same. 6 fours are 24. Just take any one number in the 10th place, multiply 10th place number with next consecutive number, that is 4. 3 fours are 12. This is the concept. 138 into 132. Here sum of unit place number. Unit means 1. In one place, number should have one number, single digit. So 8 twos are 16. Then take the remaining number. Remaining numbers are same. 13, 13. Multiply 13 with next consecutive number. Consecutive number means next number. 13 into 14, which is equal to 183. Sorry. Oh, 13 plus 13, right? Sorry. It is 182. Sorry. It is equal to 182. Just give me a minute. Here 169 plus 13, it is 182. So answer is 18216. 18216. It's not 183. 18216. Okay, next and the last one, last concept for today. If unit digit is 5 and the difference between that number is 10, how to multiply a number if the unit digit, it means the last number is 5 and the difference between that number is 10. Just tell me what is the multiplication of 15 with 25? 15 with 25. Here unit place number is 5 and difference between that two numbers is 10. That two numbers is 10. Just let me know your answer for 50 multiplication of 15 with 25. Yes, 375, right? So just observe the number. In this situation, if you multiply any number which is having unit digit is 5 and the difference between that number is 10, always answer will end with 75. Always the answer will end with 75. Just observe the number. Here the difference between the two numbers is 10. Difference is 10 and the unit place number is 5. In this situation, answer will definitely end with 75. Just write 75 in the right hand side. Then in the remaining number, we have 6 and 5. Just take the greater number. Just take the greater number. Here we have 6. Just add 1 with 6. Then we'll get 7. Then you have to multiply 7 with this number. That is 5. 7 into 5, which is equal to 35. So answer is 3575. 3575. Take one more example. Okay. For example, if you have a number 35 multiply with 45. Just observe the number. Here difference between two numbers is 10 and we have unit place number as 5. In this situation, always answer will end with 75. Remember that answer will always end with 75. Just go with 10th place number, that is 4. 10th place number, in that go with greater number, that is 4. Just add 1 for 4. Then we'll get 5. After that, you have to multiply 5 with next 10th place number. 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. So answer is 1575. Answer is 1575. You can check with your calci. Answer will be definitely 1575. as next one. Just let me know your answer for next one. 85 into 75. 85 into 75.